All right, so the burning question, I have to ask you this, Jody. How many shoes did you bring?
5 pairs. I beat you this year. I have never beat you.
This doesn't happen very often. I only brought 4 costumes.
I saw your video and you and I brought the same. I brought 4.
There you go. 4 is the lucky number. I like it.
I brought 4 pairs of shoes.
We're tied. 4 seems to be kind of the magical number. All right.
Okay, I am staying a little bit, after the conference, so I did bring 8 pairs.
Okay, that's normally my number. My number is normally 8. I only brought 4. She's winning thus far. She's winning.
Okay, I gotta be honest, only 2.
Pretty typical. Pretty typical. I only brought 3 pairs.
Wow.
Okay, all right. I would definitely say that you are doing your part for ESG.
Okay.
Not overloading those planes. We're going to solve all the world's problems.
Great.
How many shoes did you bring to the conference?
4 pairs.
Okay. How many shoes did you bring with you to this conference?
2 pairs.
2 pairs. All right.
How many pairs of shoes did you bring? Because, Brenda's got hers going on. How many did you bring?
I doubled Brenda. I actually bought 8 pairs of shoes this week.
I love it.
I bought 10 pair of shoes. We like options.
Ding, ding, ding.
She is the winner.